hour and minute hand. Make a straight line. First, between 7 and 8, and second, between 8 and 9. Unahin natin itong 7 and 8. Ibig lang sabihin, yung hour hand na to, nasa kalagitnaan ng 7 and 8. At yung minute hand, nasa kalagitnaan ng 1 and 2. So, para makuha natin yung number of minute nung buong clock, susukatin natin siya starting from the reference point. This is the reference point, 012. Up to minute hand. So, this is X. So, to determine the value of X, titingnan natin yung buong clock. Therefore, X is equivalent to, magmula sa reference point hanggang 1 is 5. So, 5, dadagdag natin yung X over 12. Oops, this is plus X over 12. O, ito yung unknown number of minute doon sa isang part ng clock. Kasi yung clock binubuo ng 12 part. Therefore, ang gagawin natin, ilipat natin yung X over 12 from right side to left side. What will happen is magiging 11X over 12 is equals to 5. Therefore, cross multiplication is 1. 11X is equals to 12 times 5 is 60. So, divide both sides by 11. Therefore, X is equals to, this is 11. 11, this is cancelled. Therefore, X is equals to, nawa natin X equals to 60 divided 11. Sabi tayong calculator. .45 minutes. So therefore, our final answer is 07 and 5.45 minutes. Pwede sa AM at para rin sa PM. Punta tayo sa next question. Between 8 and 9, so yung hour hand nasa pagitan ng 8 and 9, and yung minute hand nasa pagitan ng 2 and 3. So, to get the value o yung X mismo o yung number of minutes ng buong clock, susukatin natin siya starting from the reference point 0 and 12 up to minute hand. So, this is X. X is equals to, titingnan na natin yung clock mismo. Magmula sa reference point hanggang 2 is 10 plus X over 12. Therefore, ilipat natin sa kabilang X over 12, magiging 11X over 12 is equals to 10. Next is cross multiplication. Therefore, 11X is equals to 120. Therefore, X is equals to 120 divided by 11. 10.91 minutes. Therefore, our final answer is 08 and 10.91 minutes. Mamaya po yung 9 and 10 and 10 and 11. Thank you.